Welcome to your next favorite home. Upgrade with the FINECASA Wood Coffee Table, a stunning round design perfect for any living room. Its charming white round top offers a convenient space to organize your everyday essentials while adding a touch of elegance. Crafted with carved wooden legs, this table provides a natural, vintage vibe that complements any decor style from modern to farmhouse. Measuring 31 by 19 inches, it features two spacious shelves ideal for storing books, plants, and decorative items. The sturdy construction ensures durability and practicality for daily use. Whether placed in a cozy corner or the center of your room, it brings freshness and style effortlessly. Plus, assembly is simple and quick with the included instructions, making it a hassle-free addition to your home. Thank you for watching. And if you are interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel to never miss out on future useful product reviews.